Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru WRX key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. A clean, well-lit area is also helpful to prevent losing any small parts during the replacement, ensuring a successful outcome. Next, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components and the old battery. Now it's time to replace the battery. Observe how the old CR2032 battery is positioned, noting its positive and negative sides. Carefully remove the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's oriented exactly the same way. This step is crucial for proper function and to avoid any issues. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Once reassembled, take a moment to test the key fob with your Subaru WRX. Confirm that the lock, unlock, and trunk functions are working correctly, ensuring your key is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.